what's in her throat. What's going on, G? You think she has like postnatal as a joke or something? I wonder if her head and her inflammatory and then these allergies, is she like, is there a lot more